Hi everyone, I'm having a little bit of a problem with my Jetta here. Seems to start really good and run good at first for the 2 minutes, and then it starts to sputter and almost coming to a stalling point. So maybe somebody on here could help me out figure this out. But here, I'll show you what it does. Runs great at first. I got one of those fancy exhausts on the back, so it's a little louder than normal. But runs really good. And after a while, couple minutes, you'll start to see what happens. Me sometimes because it runs so good at the beginning like this. Here we go. Now it starts smoking and running really rough. Almost to the stalling point. But I believe this is as bad as it's going to get. Having a hard time figuring this out. Like something gets fouled up or something, I'm not sure. I don't have any vacuum leaks. I looked for those. I don't see anything. But alright. But when I do this kind of straightens it out. It makes it run faster when you disconnect this sensor here. Plug it back in, and I recently just changed that sensor, so it can't be that. So, alright, that's it.